Hey guys, magluluto tayo ulit ng pangsangkay. Ito yung ginawa ko, dates at saka onions. Lagyan natin ng 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Tapos cinnamon, star, anise, at cloves din. Tapos, yan, butter. Tsaka sauce. Lagyan natin guys, chicken sauce. Thank you for watching.